Top 5 Best Espresso Machine and Coffee Maker Combos Reviews. We are going to check out top 5 best espresso machine and coffee maker combos in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this espresso machine and coffee maker combos, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Top 5. Mr. Coffee Cafe Latte Maker. 24 ounces capacity to serve multiple drinks at a time. Power supply. 10 amps, 120 volts. Top 4. DeLong EX 3420 15 inches bar pump espresso and cappuccino machine, black. Self-priming operation for minimum startup preparation. Stainless steel boiler system. 15 bar professional pressure assures quality results every time. Removable 37-ounce water tank, maximum cup height -3.5 to 5 inches. Always use 2% milk at refrigerator temperature.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. Gaggia Classic Semi-Automatic Espresso Maker. Perfect for both espresso beginners and coffee experts. The internal sleeve must be correctly installed by protruding the lower part of the external sleeve. Easy access 72 ounces water reservoir. Features a removable 72 ounces water reservoir, providing easy filling and cleaning. Top 2. Ninja Coffee Bar Single Serve System with built-in frother, CF 112. Pod-free single serve with Ninja XL hot and cold multi-serve tumbler. Custom brew sizes, cup, XL cup, travel mug and XL multi-serve. Top 1. Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer with glass carafe, CF080Z. Choose a size, cup, travel mug, half carafe, or full carafe, and brew directly into your favorite cup or travel mug or use the carafe. 43 ounces. Glass carafe and intelligent warming plate keep your coffee at the ideal drinking temperature with 2-hour auto shut-off. Program the Ninja Coffee Bar Delay Brew to brew any size or style at any time in the next 24 hours.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.